Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Nothing unlike a Deere, John Deere video here at the Minnesota State Fair 2024. So we're going to cruise around here. The old days were more fun, so I always lust over the trailers here. That on there is 22.5 and .42 inch. That's a nice snowplow one right there. That's okay. Don't worry about it. It's a nice ride. 14 grand. Got the 3-bagger. Bad boy. $10 grand for this bad boy, 11 grand. They add on the triple bagger. Yeah. See, so it gets all said and done. About 15 grand for this piece right here. That's a nice machine. One thing about it, they're so heavy. Nice machine, huh?
Yeah. What's the difference between a 380 and a 390?
I think sometimes just bigger motor.
This is,
Sometimes just a bigger, stronger.
Same motor.
Probably.
Same turn. That's got a smaller turning radius.
Yeah, it's if they just upgrade it, whatever.
Yeah, something.
Yeah, that's what they do on them.
That's what Dad's gonna put, Jeff. At least have a lollipop.
X370. Bad boy. X380. I think it might be a double bagger. This one is. Yeah, a little double bagger. That's all you need.
Eli, this is a lot of lollipop that's gonna go away. Are you sure you don't want to have a little bit more? Do you want this? You guys are 6.
There's all the. You can tell people sitting on them. I want them all. There's nothing right here. This one's nice. Double bagger right here. Smaller one. This one's perfect. Not too big. The extension is 500. S120. Very nice. One kind of nice. Look at that bad boy. Climbing up there. Yep. John Deere. The mini farm. Like, yeah. We need the turn radius ones right here. These are turn radius. These are kind of nice. This bad boy. These are nice. These are double. Ooh, baby. The bagger is about a little over 2 grand. The machine is, it says 6 grand, I guess. It's a nice machine. Well, what'd you think? Cruise around those bad boys. These ones that people stand up on, I believe. Yeah, you stand on these suckers. $13,000 machine. Another sit-down one. Cruise around these bad boys. Nice big seats on them. When I was younger, we used to have the big combines up here. They don't have that anymore. Very rarely. That's nice. Be able to get up in them all the time. Ask what offers. Yeah, I got those locked. This sucker's like a, you're in a company big parking lot. This is for a golf course right here. 12 grand, that's not bad. Huh.
That's a big wheel.
No, you're not riding these things around, people. Enclosed. This is like a city, 40 grand give or take. Got a farm. Just sweeping off the snow. You have a long driveway. It's a nice machine right there. Heck yeah. Right here's a little fork. Looks like a little forklift right over here. You're like in a farm or something. Kind of cool. I haven't seen it before. Something new, smart. That's just an extension. I don't know. Front. Oh, so it's $850 for that front here. Wow. So you got this is an add-on. You can add it on. Yeah. Yeah. Get this bad boy. What's this thing cost? Let me see. 22 grand. $44 grand. That's nice. Got that bad boy. $58. Mm-hmm. Watch out. I think they're still made in Chicago.
Pretty cool, huh?
I think. Look how big those tires are. You can cut those things, make a plow out of those things. Cut them in half, make a plow out of them.
Oh, yeah?
Multi-purpose one right here. That's a big one over there. They're on right over there. That's big. Yep. People who do more sitting on than do anything else. Obviously, you've got the store in here. You can buy all kinds of fun stuff.
Hi, Winnie girl. Hi, little girl.
got toys left and right. All ages. You can start brainwashing for their John Deeres. Next neighbor loved John Deere's.
Yeah, you get a truck and a little tractor like your dad.
Hats.
That's kind of fun.
All kinds of good stuff. Name it.
Winnie.
They had it. Little tractors.
We gotta keep looking around. Here, bud.
You got animals, critters.
That would be a good winter hat for you. What do you think? Would be a good hat for winter?
Everything for brainwashing you can possibly have. So, all right. All right. Concludes the annual John Deere. You got the big dogs right here. Yep. So, heavy equipment. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.